our bodies are like a chemical factory, and for us to live healthy, there are a lot of chemical processes that happen. These are called as the biochemical mechanisms, and there are two types of these mechanisms that happen. One is called as the anabolism. Anabolism is basically you take smaller molecules and make larger molecules which are required for us to live healthy. And then there is catabolism. Now, just to give you a simple example, we eat food from which we get energy. Now, to get that energy to each and every cell in our body, the food needs to be broken down into smaller pieces. And that process is the process of catabolism. Also, the small little pieces that are there have to come together to form a complex molecule and thereby create cells and tissues and organs and all of that. So that is exactly what these biochemical processes are meant to do in the body. They basically maintain and sustain the life. Now, any chemical reaction, as outside the body, we know that there has to be a catalyst. Similarly, inside our body, we have specific chemicals which intermediate these chemical reactions. And those are basically the hormones that we talk about. There are several of these hormones in the body, and they respond to different stimuli, the way we are thinking, the way we are eating, the way we are sleeping and waking up. So the whole of your lifestyle is going to change the way your hormones are going to play a role. Also, there are enzymes which are secreted for either breaking down or building the molecules. Now, what we understand is across the body, there are a lot of chemical reactions, and one of the most important hormones that interplays along with others is insulin. Okay, and when we're talking of metabolic syndrome, we will specifically talk about what metabolic syndrome is all about. But it affects large number of people across the world. 25% of the people globally are affected by metabolic syndrome. And the way insulin reacts in our body and the way our body cells are able to take insulin and use it, that determines whether we remain healthy or have the tendency for metabolic syndromes.